What's up you guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys this 10 minutes easy protective hairstyle. So these are the products and tools that I'm going to be using in this hairstyle. You guys know the drill, I'm always looking down at the mirror. So I'm starting off with damp hair, which I'm going to divide into two. To each section, I'll add my DIY leave-in conditioning spray, massage it thoroughly, and then add a little gel. After I braid, I'm going to grab the hair into a low ponytail. Working on damp hair allows me to get away with using very little product. After I have a pigtail, I will repeat the same process for the other half of my hair. Then to each pigtail, I'll add on a full packet of braiding hair, but I'll make sure to leave out a piece behind. I will go on and braid the full length of the braid. And then after I'm done, I'll secure it with a little rubber band. I will then use the leave-out braid to conceal and tuck in my hair, which I'll also secure using a bobby pin, and repeat the same process on the other side. After I'm done doing both sides, I'm going to add the same conditioning spray to my hair and work on my edges. Which I'll set using a headscarf. Then after about a few minutes, I was done with this hairstyle. And as you can see, it was very easy and it didn't take much skill at all. Bringing us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below and share with your friends. Until next time, bye.